Still on land banking, what location should I buy from if I want to do land banking and do it profitably? What location should I buy from? Of course, not all locations are good for land banking, but then what location should I buy from, and how do I identify a good location that will give me maximum return on investment if I invest in those locations? Those are some of the things that we are going to be looking at in this episode. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Chris Asika. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new videos, and also do well to give this video a thumbs up. In my main video about land banking, I said land banking is buying land in an undeveloped place to keep it for some time so you can sell it in the future, or you can develop it. And I also said that land banking is not going to the village to buy land. That is not land banking. That is one mistake our parents made. That is one mistake most of our parents, that is one mistake they made. They will make money in the city and they will go to the village to buy farmlands. If you are buying farmland, if you are among those that are buying farmlands in the village, you are not a land banker, you are a farmer. So land banking is not all about going to your village to buy up farmlands in the name of land banking. There are strategic locations that if you are buying from those locations, you are going to be getting a maximum return on investment if you are buying from those locations. Of course, not all villages, because there are some villages that have good prospects. There are some villages that have good prospects for maximum return on investment. But if you are like me, that came from a typical village, then you shouldn't be buying up farmlands in the name of doing land banking. Then where should you buy? If you want to do land banking and get it right, you should be looking at places that have good potentials. One of my favorite real estate quotes says, look for where the people are going and buy the land before they get there. Now, what will take people from a place where they are to a new location? One of the major factors that can move people from a current location to another location is development. If you want to know a place that have good potentials, you should look at the development that is currently in that location and the development that is coming to that location. Look at the development that is currently in that location and the development that is coming to that location. Now, it is important we know that the development that is currently in a particular location is not enough to know a place that have good potential or not, because it is possible that in a particular location there's nothing much to write home about in that location, but there is major development that is coming to that location in the future. For example, what happened in Epe in Lagos. I have an uncle who have lived in Epe for over 40 years. When you ask him how is Lagos, he will tell you, no, I don't live in Lagos, I live in Epe. That is, he's trying to tell you that he is not among the people that are enjoying the good things that is in Lagos. When they say Lagos, oh Lagos, people that are in Lagos, they are in township. He's trying to tell you that he is not in a township, that he is in a typical village in Epe, which is in Lagos. So he denies the fact that he is in Lagos. He will tell you that he is not in Lagos, that he is in Epe, because Epe is a typical village. But if people were looking at the development in Epe years back, nobody would have invested in Epe. Nobody would have invested. But those that were able to look into the future and they were able to forecast that in so time, development will be coming to Epe, and they keyed into it, they are the people that are cashing out right now in the development that is coming to Epe. So a development that is currently in a location is not enough to say if that location will do good, but look at the development that is coming to that location. That is what will tell you if that location will do good or not. The next thing we should look out for when looking out for a place that have good potential for land banking is the government presence in that location. What is the government presence in that location? In Nigeria, by the Land Use Act, every land belongs to the government. But then there are some places that have been forgotten by the government. There are some places that the government is not doing anything about those places, and those are some of the places where people are going to invest their money. Those are some of the places people are going to buy land in the name of land banking. If the government that owns the whole land, if they don't recognize a particular place, you yourself, you are going there to put your money there, you are burying your money, you are not banking your money. So it is important you look out for places that the government have done something significant in that location, because those are the places that are most likely to develop faster. Those are the places that have good potential. So look out for places that have government presence. What are the government infrastructures in that place? Is there a road? Is there any government institution? Is there a university? Look out for these things. These are some of the things that will guarantee if that place will do well in the future. The next thing you should look out for when you want to choose a good place for land banking is the historical price of land and the location where you want to buy. It is important when you want to buy a land in a particular location, you ask questions. You ask, how much is a plot of land selling in this location last year? How much is a plot of land selling in this location last 2 years? Because what it was selling in the previous years will give you an indication of what it is going to sell in the coming years. So it is important you ask questions about the historical price of land in a particular location, so you can have an idea if that place is going to give you a good return on investment if you buy from that place. Now, just a recap of what I've said so far. Not all locations are good for land banking, and to choose the best location, you should look at the development in that location, the government presence in that location, and lastly, you should look at the historical price of properties in that location. These are some of the things that is going to tell you if the place where you want to invest is good and will give you good return on investment if you invest in that place. If you have gotten value from this video, please go over to the comment section and drop a comment of what you have learned from this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new videos, and also do well to give this video a thumbs up. Till I come your way next time, I remain Chris Asika.